Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I created this makeup look. It is the first time that I do something like this, so I hope you guys like it and enjoy the video. Okay, let's get started. For my eyes, I'm gonna be using the new Weekend Festival eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm also going to be using the eyeshadow palette from ColourPop, the collaboration with My Little Pony. So those are the two eyeshadow palettes that I'm going to be using. First eyeshadow I'm going to be using is Bluebell. It's this one right here. And I'm going to use it as a base. I'm gonna use Dippy, this very hot pink. So I'm gonna take it out, creating a wing. From the inner corner to the middle of my eyelid, I'm gonna use Wicked. And on my outer corner, I'm gonna use this blue right here called Twilight. In the middle of Wicked and Twilight, I'm gonna use Ultimate. And with the fluffy brush, I'm just gonna tap it. Again, I'm gonna take a little bit of Dippy, that is the hot pink, and go over it again so I can blend the colors. Now we're gonna take Palooza. And we're gonna use it on our lower lash line and also all over here. And under this blue, we're gonna use Swag. We're gonna connect all of the layers of colors in the middle. The purple, the blue, and then the shiny purple, Wicked. And then the hot pink. And now on our brow bone, we're gonna use Spirit. From the Carly palette, I'm gonna use this highlight right here. Also gonna apply highlight all over the eyeshadow under lower lash line, but I'm gonna use the white highlight. I'm gonna blend all of my eye colors. Okay, so to finish with my eyes, I'm gonna drag the purple right down here. I'm gonna drag a little bit more the blue. Okay, so now that we look half decent, half crazy, I'm going to glue some stars to my face. I'm gonna put some eyelashes. I've never used fake eyelashes, so I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but let's try it. Let's zoom in so you can see the disaster. I don't think I put them on properly. Do we just roll with it? Let me put mascara on and see what happens. I'm gonna just put eyelashes on this one, and on the other side I'm just gonna use mascara. I'm not gonna put fake eyelashes to see the difference. Oh yes, there is a big difference. I just have a fuller look. So I'm gonna finish this look with a little bit of eyeliner. Okay, and on my lips, I'm gonna use the ColourPop Lip to Go. It's just a nice purple color. And on top of this lips, I'm gonna use some white highlighter. The one that we used earlier, this one right here. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I really love how it turns out. Here, let me close it. Okay, so in this eye we use the fake eyelashes. I have to say, I love how it looks with the fake eyelashes, and this was just mascara. This was a very different thing for me. I always use neutral colors and warm colors. This is the first time I do like a unicorn theme eye makeup look. Okay guys, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know down below what you think about this look and what you want me to do next. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on your notifications bell so you can get notified every time I upload. Thank you so much for watching guys. Bye!